So today is 6th of September. We have some positions over from last time. None of them have executed after the yesterday's running. We had one position that got lost. I had to do a manual recovery. I have opened cats. I'm gonna hit F5, F6 for the C1, C2 trader. Going to start trading again with the same positions. We still have quite some data from yesterday, so I'm not gonna trade too much today because I have just otherwise too much to analyze. So these are positions from yesterday that just filled. We are trading with security level 2. All right, I have again enough data for my analysis, so I'm going to switch off cats. I'm going to hit escape. Cats is now terminating. Cats is now terminated. We have generated these trades. Looks like this one is closing up. Pin it down again. All right, going to stop today's session. I think we have enough